Many people say that the RSI trading strategy doesn't work. Well, in this video, I will show you a RSI strategy that actually works. And I will prove it to you at the end of this video by backtesting this strategy 200 times. Also, make sure you watch the whole video because I will explain crucial tips on how to avoid most of the fake signals and make this strategy actually work. So let's get started. The first thing you need is the actual RSI indicator. So go to the Indicators tab and search RSI. The default settings are really good, so we don't need to change them. But make sure the RSI length is set to 14. Also make sure the RSI upper band is set to 70 and the RSI lower band is set to 30. And for simplicity, you want to take RSI-based moving average off. Okay, now we want to add our second indicator, so again, go to the Indicators tab and search ATR Bands and click the one made by the third floor. Now we have ATR added, so let's modify the settings. For this strategy, we want to set ATR band scale factor to 2. Okay, now that we have set up everything we need, so let's get into the trading rules. So for long trades, we want to see that the RSI crosses above the 30 line and vice versa. For the short trades, we want to see the RSI crosses below the 70 line. For the stop loss, we want to set it at the ATR band. And for take profit, we want 2-to-1 risk reward. Okay, now we know when to enter a trade and when to exit a trade. But the biggest problem with this strategy is that it gives a lot of fake signals. And the mistake that a lot of beginner traders make is that they just take every buy and sell signal they see. In the markets, there are two types of market conditions. A sideways market where the price goes sideways. And a trendy market where the market is trending up or down. But the RSI indicator works only in a sideways market, not in a trendy market. So the only thing we need to do is avoid the trendy markets. And how do we do that? Well, it's pretty simple. I will give you an example. Here you can see that the trade went to a stop loss, and the market kept decreasing. This indicates that the market started to trend, and we should not enter a new trade before we get a short signal. And vice versa, if your short trade hits a stop loss, do not enter a new short trade before you get a long signal. By doing that, we avoid most of the false signals we get, and actually make money with the RSI trading strategy. Okay, now I will prove it to you by backtesting this strategy 200 times. So for the first backtest, I tested this strategy 100 times on euro-dollar currency pair on the 15-minute time frame. And after 100 trades, we got 46 winning trades and 54 losing trades. But because we have a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, we made 104% profit. The max drawdown was only 7.76%. And it took 5 months to take 100 trades. For the second backtest, I also took 100 trades on the euro-dollar currency pair, but I used a 5-minute time frame. And after 100 trades, we got 45 winning trades and 55 losing trades, and we made 92% returns. But the most significant difference was it only took 2 months to take 100 trades. So overall, I suggest you to trade this strategy on the 5-minute chart because you will just make profits faster. I just showed you how to trade the RSI strategy profitably, and all I ask in return is to take 2 seconds out of your day and like this video. If you want to stay up to date on my future strategies, make sure to subscribe, because, in my next video, I will show you a strategy that made over 100% returns in only 1 month. I hope you guys learned something new from this video, and I will see you at the next one.